Hi friends, hope you all doing good. Today I am going to explain the topic of trigonometric ratios from the lesson Trigonometry of 10th standard. Before I start this video, please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's get into the topic. First, I discuss the example problems in the beginning of the chapter. Draw a horizontal line on a paper. This is the initial point A and the other points are B, C, D and E. Here AB distance is 3 centimeters, AC distance is 6 centimeters, AD distance is 9 centimeters and AE distance is 12 centimeters. Next, draw the perpendicular lines BP, CQ, DR and ES. And these lengths are 4 centimeter, 8 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 16 centimeters. Then join AP, PQ, QR and RS. Now find the lengths of AP, AQ, AR and AS by using Pythagoras theorem. First, take this triangle AP square equal to AB square plus BP square, that is equal to AB square is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So AP equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5. Next, find the length of AQ square. This is another triangle ACQ. AQ square equal to, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus CQ square, that is equal to AC square is 6 centimeters, 6 square plus CQ square is 8 centimeters, 8 is 8 square, 36 plus 64, that is equal to 100. AQ equal to root over 100, that is equal to 10. We find the length of AR square. AR square equal to AD square plus DR square. The length of the AD is 9 centimeters. 9 square plus the length of DR is 12 centimeters, 12 square, that is equal to 81 plus 144, that is equal to 225. AR equal to square root of 225, that is equal to 15. Next, find the length of AS square. From the diagram, we take the triangle AES. AS square equal to AE square plus ES square. Here AE length is 12 centimeters and ES length is 16 centimeters. AE square plus ES square. Twelve square plus 16 square, that is equal to 144 plus 256, that is equal to 400. AS equal to square root of 400, that is equal to 20. The length of the AP is 5 centimeters. AQ is 10 centimeters. AR is 15 centimeters. AS is 20 centimeters. Here AP length is 5 centimeters. AQ length is 10 centimeters. AR length is 15 centimeters and AS length is 20 centimeters. Next, we draw the table. I have taken this table from the textbook. Length of the hypotenuse AP is 5 centimeters. AP is equal to 5 centimeters. BP is equal to 4 centimeters. Length of the side and length of the adjacent side. AB is equal to 3 centimeters. So opposite side by hypotenuse, BP by AP, that is equal to BP 4 by 5. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by AP, that is equal to 3 by 5. Next, length of the hypotenuse AQ equal to 10 centimeters. AQ equal to 10 centimeters. CQ equal to length of the side. CQ equal to 8 centimeters and AC equal to 6 centimeters. Length of the adjacent side AC 6 centimeters. Length of the side by hypotenuse, that is CQ by AQ, that is equal to 8 by 10, that is equal to 4 by 5. Next, adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to AC by AQ, that is equal to AC 6 centimeters by AQ 10 centimeters, that is equal to 3 by 5. And length of the hypotenuse AR equal to 15 centimeters. length of the opposite side is dr, that is equal to 12 centimeters, and length of the adjacent side AD equal to 9 centimeters, and dr by AR, that is equal to 12 by 15, that is equal to 4 by 5, and adjacent side by hypotenuse AD equal to AD by AR is equal to 9 by 15, that is equal to 3 by 5, and length of the hypotenuse, that is equal to 20 centimeters AS equal to 20 centimeters, and length of the opposite side is ES, that is equal to 16 centimeters, and AE is equal to 12 centimeters. ES by AS, that is equal to 16 by 20, that is equal to 4 by 5, and AE by AS, that is equal to 12 by 20, that is equal to 3 by 5. ABP is one triangle, and ACQ is another triangle, and ADR is one of the triangle, and AES is the another triangle.